Enlist two essential roles of ribosome during translation. What? We need to write two roles of ribosome during translation. So let's start with two essential roles of ribosome during translation are, one of it is, one of the RNA acts as a polypeptide transferase ribosome for formation of peptide bonds. In other words, remember that it acts as peptide transferase. Right from here, it acts as peptide transferase for formation of peptide bond. Now, ribosome provides site for attachment of mRNA and charged tRNAs for polypeptide synthesis. Remember students, what? Peptide transferase for formation of peptide bonds, and ribosome provides site for attachment of mRNA and charged tRNA for polypeptide synthesis. Okay students, so here we are done with question number 9.